So today we are dividing fractions. Step 1 is the exact same thing as step 1 was when we were multiplying. You have to change any mixed numbers to improper. Okay? So, if you have mixed numbers, to improper. Okay? You have to do that first. You don't really get a choice. All right? And then step 2 is that phrase that you guys were just saying. Keep, change, flip. I'll explain what that is for those of you that don't know or forgot. So this means the first fraction, you're going to keep it exactly like it is. It's a common mistake to do something with the first fraction, but you don't. You leave it alone. You keep it. Hence the word keep. So leave first fraction alone. Leave first fraction as is.
Oh, I remember doing this.
Yes. You're going to change the division sign to a multiplication sign. So hence the word change. Change division to multiplication. And then your last fraction is the one that gets flipped. By the way, we have a fancy vocab word when you flip a fraction over. Reciprocal, yes. So flip the second fraction reciprocal. And then once you've done this, it's now a multiplication problem, and you do exactly what we did yesterday. So, in fact, I'm just going to say in line 3, multiply as usual. So just like we did yesterday. So let's see if we can get some example problems up here. All right. So let's just say I wanted to do something, we'll start off easy, something like this. 4/7 divided by 8/9. So, step 1, change mixed numbers to improper. I don't have any mixed numbers, so step 1 is already done for me. Good. 2, keep, change, flip. So someone tell me what I write. If I'm going to keep, change, flip. Devin, go ahead.
So you would keep the 4 and the 7.
Keep 4/7, so keep the first
You
fraction.
would turn it into a multiplication.
Yep.
And then you would put the 9 on top of the 8.
Perfect. That's keep, change, flip.
And then you just multiply across.
Now, just like we were doing yesterday. So, yeah, you could multiply straight across, but what should you really do first? You should reduce anything. So if you want to add that, just in case you forget, multiply as usual. So now I'm going to add again. Reduce any numerator with any denominator and then multiply straight across. Okay, so just in case you forgot how to multiply between yesterday and today, now you have it there again. All right, so can I do any reducing?
Yes.
What? Yes, 4 and 8. 4 goes into 4 one time, 4 goes into 8 two times. Can I do anything else?
No.
No, so now when I multiply straight across,
9 over 14.
9 over 14, and you're
So
done.
I did it before you guys did, and I got 9 over 14.
Perfect. We love division because, again, notice I did not one time say anything about common denominators. You don't need them. It's the addition and subtraction that's a pain in the neck that you need the common denominators for. I don't need them here.
I'd rather do addition and multiplication than this.
But this is not bad. This is all right. Let's try another one. I'll make it a little bit more difficult. Let's throw a negative in there. How about negative 2 3/4 divided by negative, I don't know, 8. No, I'm just kidding around. I'm just kidding around. Can I make that? Yeah. Put an 11 right there and an 8 on the bottom. Sorry. I didn't mean to mess you up.
So, would you be able to, even though they're next to each other, would you be able to simplify them with each other?
Mm-mm. Well,
Like, the
You gotta-
11 with 1 and 8?
no. It has to be one on top, one on bottom.
Okay.
Cohen. I don't want the answer yet. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, I gotta go through these steps here. Step 1, change mixed numbers to improper. I have mixed numbers, so first I want these as improper. Thank you. 4 times 2 is 8 plus the 3. I get a negative 11 over 4. So divided by negative 11 over 8. Okay,
Would that be a positive?
it will be. I'm not there yet.
I don't know.
Step 1 is now done, right? Change or mixed numbers to improper. Step 1 is done. Step 2. What would I write for step 2? So Sam, walk me through it. What's my first fraction going to be? Yeah, so keep and then change to multiplication and then, yeah. And again, it doesn't matter where the negative goes if you put it upstairs or downstairs, as long as one of them is negative. So now I'm here. What's the sign of our answer going to be? Positive. So now I don't even need to look at the negatives anymore because I already figured out it will be positive. The next thing I should do is
Divide? Oh, no, multiplication.
reduce. So I can reduce anything in the numerator with anything in the denominator. Is there anything that reduces? Yeah. 11 with 11. 11 goes into 11 once. 11 goes into 11 once. 4 and 8 can reduce. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 8 twice.
So it would be 1 over 2?
Careful.
2 over 1, I mean.
Yeah. Multiply straight across. 2 over 1, which is really just 2.
I got 22 over 11.
I
I still got the same answer.
Mm-hmm.
I just didn't reduce
I
11
had
and
22 over
11.
11, right? I just-
But you can't forget to do it. Because if you give me on a test or a quiz the answer 22 over 11, you're going to lose points because that's not a final answer. You're not done yet. Okay, one more. Let's try. Ooh, I know what we should do. We should mix multiplication and division.
Let's just not and say we did.
Oh, we're going to. And say that we are good at it. 12.
No, I don't think that would be too hard.
It's not.
You just have to get the answer and then divide it by.
Okay, say I were asking you to do one like this.
That scared me. Not answer it.
Well, we got to walk through it first. Okay? So, remember, order of operations tells me that I'm just going to, all I have is multiplication and division. They're on the same level, so I just do them in order from left to right. So I could just multiply these, but what's going to happen with this divide thing? Yeah, so that's going to change to multiplication, and then what happens with this?
It goes to 2 over 1.
Yes, that one's going to flip over. So you can do all of this in one step. You don't have to do the multiplication, then do the division. we can rewrite it like this. 3/4 times 12/15. Now I change it to multiplication of the reciprocal, 2
I
over
got my
1.
answer.
And now it's a problem just like you guys had on your homework last night. Any numerator can reduce with any denominator. So what can I do? What can I reduce? 2 and 4, sure. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice. What else? 3 and 15. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 into 15 5 times. Anything else? 2 and 12. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 12 6 times. Anything else?
I got it right. Yay. I got 6 over 5.
Perfect.
Oh, wait.
Awesome. Something I can be proud about.
I'm telling you guys, multiplication, division of fractions is not so bad once you get the hang of it. All right, guys. So